Oh god, they will.
Thunderstorm was located over Highlands, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Thoroughbred Acres around 2:45 p.m. Land station around 2:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Paris. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KZZ-48, Boydtown, Kentucky, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for northern Kentucky and parts of southeast Indiana. This afternoon, showers with thunderstorms.